Shall we?
Absolutely. My favorite weapon.
All our emeralds are gone. So I hope we spend for good.
It's the best! Well, we've no emeralds now. That means
We have to remove it from the dictionary. How do we do it?
well, we don't need to remove emerald from the dictionary
Oh, why?
because we might get more emeralds later in the game.
Then we can simply update the value as 0.
Yup, but since you asked, let me show you how to remove it.
Listening.
We use pop for that. Inside we write the key we want to remove. This removes emerald from gems count.